Welcome along to this week's Throwback Thursday lesson for In the Air Tonight by Phil Collins. So, to play this mega hit, it's actually quite straightforward. We're copying the synth line. Now, the big thing is the D string is going to ring out for all three chords. That's what creates the sort of undertone to it. So you get 5th fret on E, 6th on B, ring on 7th on G. So we get that. We get 1, 2, 3, 4. And then next thing we get is 3rd fret on E, ring finger on 5 on B, middle finger on 5 on G. And that's what sounds a bit unusual. We still hit that string. So we go from the D minor. I can feel it coming in the air too. Now, here's the deal. I am using my middle finger and my ring finger there. You can also use your ring finger and your pinky there on that chord. I am on a Baby Taylor. If you're on a guitar with a smaller body, you'll get away with these fingers. But if you're on a bigger acoustic, you may want to switch to these ones, because we're going to go down 2 more frets and do this. Like that. And that's our B flat chord with the D bass. So all together we get this. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and back up. And that's the whole song. Works on the verse, works on the chorus. Now, you may have noticed I did use like chord names there. Like if you go like just with the D minor, I can feel it coming in the air tonight, and a B flat, hold on. Have a listen to the chords. You'll notice that they change way too much. The really cool thing about this D string ringing out, it stays consistent like that. And that's all there is for this week. Remember to like and subscribe for future Throwback Thursday lessons, and I'll see you in the next lesson.